Hi Wilson, this is Kelly Carwile, owner of Larimar Digital Marketing. As promised, here's your custom video going through the top things that you can do to increase your online presence and bring in more clients. Today we're going to go through website content, the importance of keywords and backlinks, and then finally how getting to that top spot will directly impact your sales. So the first thing I want to go over is content. You have a really nice site, it's easy to navigate, and it also loads very quickly for me. It does look like you can use some more content. You have right around 350 words. When we talk about content, I mean all of the words on your front page to include pictures and what's behind these pictures. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words or to 2,000 words to be optimized or viewed as highly relevant for that keyword search. So a keyword is just that search term that's used by a potential client searching for your service. So you'll need to have enough unique and authoritative content to add in those keywords that are needed to bring your site to the top of the search results. So over here, these guys are your top online local competitor. They have right around 1,800 words in their content. So to beat your competition, you'll need to begin with more content that is strategically mixed with just the right keywords. So over here, I've pulled up Google and done a Google search for gutter installation Fort Lauderdale. At the top of the page, we always see ads that are related to the search. And if we don't have an ad blocker on. And then the next thing that we see is what we call the map pack. You'll want to get yourself here in the top 3 because as you can see, it's one of the first areas that's shown in that search result. You can get to the top here by filling out your Google business profile completely and then also including your business in as many relevant directories as you can. Google's going to give you more score authority to referring sites that are relevant to your business. So these are going to help you rank higher in the maps. You'll want to ensure that you're listed in the same directories as your competition, and then you add even more to completely dominate in this area here. So as we scroll down, we're going to scroll down here to what we call the organic search. So it looks like Coast to Coast Gutters is showing close to the top of that first page for that search result. They're the first local business in the list. So let's take a look at why your competition is outranking you. So Ahrefs is a tool that I use daily in my work to look at the site metrics. It's really useful in doing our SEO analysis. It looks like your Google trustworthiness score is a 20. Right here, this UR score is a 20, and your power score over here is a 0.1. So your competition, if we were to take a look at them, their scores are a 28 and a 17, respectively. So by working on your content and your backlinks, this score right here is going to improve over time. We also see that on your website, you have 33 referring domains that are giving you 180 backlinks, and this is driving this traffic here. So when I talk about backlinks, backlinks are just that. They're just a website that's sending a link back to your site. It's important to note here that with backlinks, it's really about the quality of the backlink rather than the quantity. So not all links are created equal. That link that you obtain is more effective when you have an industry relevant site that's linking back to you. So for example, if you have a remodeling or a roofing company linking your site on their page, it would be far more powerful than that local restaurant that's doing the same thing. So you see that your competition over here has more referring domains and more backlinks, giving them more traffic. And it's giving them a little bit more traffic than you. So here you can also pick apart their keywords. If we go over here to their keywords, so if we're in your competition site, we can pick apart what keywords are working well for them and what is relevant to you, and then go after those keywords. So once you have your keyword-rich content and those backlinks have come together and you're really starting to outgrow your competition, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so important to your business. So let's assume now that you're generating the same traffic as your competition in that #1 spot. So gutters for Lauderdale. You'll recall that when I did the search, we were searching for gutters for Lauderdale. So right now they're ranking in that top position for that keyword search. So let's pretend now that you've now replaced them and you're getting that kind of volume and that traffic to your site. So let's say that 10% of the people coming to your site actually call you. So this is what we call your conversion rate. And then let's say that 50% of those calls, let's say that you close 50% of those calls, which is pretty typical in this industry. So they're probably closing right around 8 jobs per month just from their online presence alone. So keep in mind that these are just gutter install jobs specifically. Any other services that you're providing would just add to that number. I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that this would generate some pretty decent revenue for you. So this is what I do for a living, and creating this video to help you generate your own leads is something I really, really enjoy. I really hope that you enjoyed it as well. I would really love it if you would just leave just one line of feedback, just a little bit of feedback on this video. Tell me what you liked the best. Even just one line is very helpful. I'm always looking for ways to improve and add more value to the small businesses that I work with. I'd also love to see your site in that top spot. If you would like to discuss what I've gone over today or would prefer to give me your feedback over the phone, you can give me a call or text me at 321-626-0586. I would love to help you in any way that I can. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.